Welcome students. It is our session 6 of number system. In this session we have to study about rationalization of denominators. Before study about the rationalization of denominators, we should know some irrational numbers which comes with rational numbers in the form of addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. And we know if any rational number which comes with a rational number in the form of addition or subtraction or multiplication or division, then that number also should be known as a irrational number. For example, suppose that 7 is a rational number. 7 is a rational number. But suppose that 7 plus root 2. 7 plus root 2, that is a irrational number. 7 into root 2, that is also irrational number. 8 upon root 3, 8 is a rational number. But 8 divided by root 3 is irrational number. So 8 upon root 3 will be the irrational number. 9 minus root 5, that will be also irrational number. 9 is rational, but when root 5 subtracted from the 9, that will be the irrational number. So we should know some simplification of the expressions. For example, simplify that expression. 3 plus root 3 plus root 3 into 2 plus root 3. How can we simplify? Do you know? We should multiply that 3 completely in this irrational number. After that, use the sign properly, and then we should multiply root 3 in entire this irrational number. So let me start. 3 into 2 plus root 3. If plus is there, we should write the plus. If minus is there, we should write minus here. Now root 3 into 2 plus root 3. Okay. Now 3 twos are 6. 3 into root 3, that will be the 3 root 3 plus 2 into root 3, that will be 2 root 3 plus root 3 into root 3, it means that will be the square of root 3, it means 3. Now we should add the all rational numbers together. 6 plus 3, 9 plus 3 root 3 plus 2 root 3. In that two numbers, root 3 is common, so that will be 9 plus root 3 we should take a common. Here will be the 3 plus 2. So what will be 9 plus 3 plus 2, 5. 5 root 3. That will be our answer. That is the simplification that two irrational numbers product. Okay. Now come on. Rationalization of denominator. Rationalization, it means we should make the number in the rational form. Rationalization of denominator, it means whatever denominator is given in the irrational form, we should convert it into the rational number. Okay. In second words, you can say to make the denominator free from square roots. free from square roots. For example, 3 plus root 5 upon root 2. 3 plus root 5 upon root 2. Our denominator is root 2. What is root 2? Root 2 is a irrational number. And our question is there, we should rationalize the denominator. It means we should make the denominator free from the square root. Free from the square root. For rationalization, the denominator of any number, we multiply the numerator. We multiply the numerator and denominator by an irrational number. By an irrational number. But what will be that irrational number for multiplying in numerator and denominator? That irrational number will be already given in the denominator of that number. In this fraction, 3 plus root 5 upon root 2, if we should rationalize the denominator, then we should multiply of the denominator irrational number into the numerator and denominator also. You should never bring any irrational number to multiply here. We should multiply by the denominator number only. Okay, and our denominator irrational number is root 2. So we should multiply by root 2 into the numerator and denominator also. Then what will be here? Root 2 into 3. That will be 3 root 2. Root 5 into root 2. That will be plus root 5 into root 2. Then you can multiply like that, root 5 into root 2, because that is the number already in the square root, so we should multiply together it. Okay, and now root 2 and root 2, root 2 into root 2 in root 2 squared. Okay, now come on, next step, 3 root 2 plus root 10. 3 root 2 plus root 10 upon square of root 2, that will be the 2. Now you can see what is 2. 2 is a rational number. 2 is a rational number. And what is our question? Rationalize the denominator. Rationalize the denominator. And we already done our work because our denominator is rationalized this time. Okay. Now in second question, 7 plus 3 root 5 upon 7 minus 3 root 5. That is totally irrational number. It means our denominator is irrational. So we should rationalize the denominator. And how we can rationalize? This time we should multiply in the numerator and denominator by the value of denominator. But what changes should be there in the value of denominator? We should only change the sign. We should only change the sign if the denominator value is given in the addition or subtraction form with any other numbers. Okay, so 7 plus 3 root 5 upon 7 minus 3 root 5. We want to rationalize denominator, so we should multiply in the numerator and denominator by the denominator's value, but we should change the sign of that denominator's value. Which sign? The sign which comes between the two numbers. Okay, so if minus is there, we can do here plus and multiply that fraction by the denominator. So 7 plus 3 root 5 upon 7 plus 3 root 5. we already changed the sign between that numbers. If minus is there, we can change it into the plus. If plus is there, we can change it into the minus. Now we can see 7 plus 3 root 5, 7 plus 3 root 5. It means that will be the square of 7 plus 3 root 5, whole square of 7 plus 3 root 5 upon 7 minus 3 root 5, and that is the 7 plus 3 root 5. And you can see one identity, a minus b, and that is a plus b, a minus b, and that is the a plus b. It means one identity is there, a square minus b square. And what is the value of a here? 7. 7 square minus b square. What is the value of b? 3 root 5. Square of 3 root 5. Now come on, a plus b, whole square of a plus b. What is the value of a? 7. And what is the value of b? 3 root 5. So we should start a square plus b square plus 2ab like that. So a square it means 7 square plus b square it means 3 root 5 whole square plus 2ab. 2 into 7 into 3 root 5. And now this value, a square 7 square it means 49 minus 3 root 5 square it means 3 3 ja 9, and root 5 square it means 5, 3 3 ja 9, 9 5 ja 45. Now you can see easily what will be the value. 49, this value will be 49 plus 3 3 ja 9, and square of root 5 5, 45 plus 2 7 ja 14, 14 3 ja 42 root 5 upon 49 minus 45. What will be the value? 4. What will be the value? 4. Now you can edit 49 plus 45. 9 and 5 14, 4 4 8 and 1 9 plus 42 root 5 upon 4. You can see the denominator 4. What is 4? That is the rational number, and we already rationalized the denominator entity, and that is our process to rationalize the denominator of any irrational number. Okay. Take one more question for simplification. Root 5 minus 2 upon root 5 plus 2 minus root 5 plus 2 upon root 5 minus 2. In this question, very easy to solve here. First, we should rationalize the denominator of each fraction. This fraction also, this fraction also. In this fraction, we should rationalize the denominator. Root 5 minus 2 upon root 5 plus 2. Multiply. What is the value of denominator? Root 5 plus 2. Then we should multiply the denominator value by the denominator value into the numerator and denominator. But we should change the sign between the two values of the denominator. Okay, we should change that sign. That sign will be changed into the minus. So root 5 minus 2 upon root 5 minus 2. Now for next step, that is minus is here, so we should write minus root 5 plus 2 upon root 5 minus 2. In this fraction, denominator value is root 5 minus 2, so we should multiply by root 5 plus 2 into the numerator and denominator, because the denominator value is root 5 minus 2. So we just change the sign between that two numbers, between that two numbers in the value of denominator. So we can multiply root 5 here minus, so we should write here plus upon root 5 plus 2. Okay, we should solve together, don't make it lengthy. Okay, root 5 minus 2, root 5 minus 2 in root 5 minus 2, it means a minus b into a minus b, it means whole square of a minus b, it means root 5 minus 2 whole square. Now here a plus b, a minus b, what is the value of a? Root 5. And what is the value of b? 2. So we can write a square minus b square. Here minus, so we should write minus root 5 plus 2, root 5 plus 2, a plus b, a plus b, it means whole square of a plus b, it means root 5 plus 2 whole square upon root 5 minus 2, root 5 plus 2, it means a minus b, a plus b, it means a square minus b square. Value of a is root 5, value of b here 2, so root 5 whole square, it means a square minus b square, it means 2 whole square. Now solve a minus b whole square, it means a square minus b square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. A square, it means root 5 square 5, b square, it means whole square of 2, it means 4, minus 2ab, 2ab, 2 2 ja 4, root 5. The value of a root 5 and value of b 2, so 2ab, 2 2 ja 4, root 5 upon a square, it means 5 minus 4, here minus a plus b whole square, it means a square, it means 5, b square, it means square of 2 4, plus 2ab, 2 2 ja 4, root 5 upon square of 5, root 5, square of root 5 5, and 2 2 ja 4. Now come 5 plus 4 9 minus 4 root 5 upon 1, 5 minus 4 1, minus 5 plus 4 9 plus 4 9, 4 root 5, 5 minus 4 1. Okay, so 1 is in the denominator, so you can write directly value 9 minus 4 root 5 minus bracket 9 plus 4 root 5. You can see 9, this is 9, and when you should multiply by 9 here, that will be the minus 9, plus 9 and minus 9 cancel. Now minus 4 root 5, this is the plus, but when you should multiply by minus sign here, so that will be the minus 4 root 5. So minus 4 root 5 and minus 4 root 5, minus 8 root 5, that is your answer. Okay, now come on, one more example. In the following, determine rational number a and b. Here the value of a and b is unknown, and according to question, a, b are the rational numbers, and we should find the value of a and b. What is here? The question: 5 plus 3 root 3, 7 plus 4 root 3 is equal to a plus b root 3. Actually that is the equation, and we should solve that equation, and then we compare the similar term to the similar term. But first, you already understand that is the fraction having the denominator of irrational number. So we should rationalize the denominator here. So let me start to solve that equation. 5 plus 3 root 3 upon 7 plus 4 root 3 multiply. We should rationalize that denominator, because denominator is a irrational number, and by rationalization of the denominator, we should multiply into the numerator and denominator with the value of denominator. Only we should change the sign between that two numbers. We should change the sign. What is sign here? Plus, so we should change it into the minus. So let us start. 7 minus 4 root 3 upon 7 minus 4 root 3. We should multiply by the denominator by changing the sign between the two numbers. We should multiply it in numerator also, in denominator also. And what is the next part of the equation? Is equal to a plus b root 3. Okay. Now we should multiply. The numbers are different and no identities is framed here, so we should multiply by one numbers. Okay, so 5 multiply 7 minus 4 root 3. Now plus is there, so plus 3 root 3 into 7 minus 4 root 3 upon. Now you can see a plus b, a minus b. It means a square minus b square. A square, value of a 7, minus b square, value of b 4 root 3, square of 4 root 3. The second part of the equation is equal to a plus b root 3. Don't forget to write the second part of the equation. Okay. Now we should multiply. 5 7 ja 35 minus 5 4 ja 20 root 3 plus 3 7 ja 21 root 3, because we should multiply the without square number with without square number. Okay, minus 4 3 ja 12, 4 3 ja 12, root 3 into root 3, root 3 into root 3, that will be the 3 upon 7 7 ja 49 minus root 3 square and 4 square also. So 4 is square of 4 16, in square of root 3 3. So 16 into 3 16 3 ja 48, 16 3 ja 48, 4 4 ja 16 and 16 3 ja 48. Write the second part of the equation is equal to a plus b root 3. Now solve. What will be here? 35 and that is the minus 36. 12 3 ja 36. What will be the value? 36. 35 minus 36, the value will be minus 1, because that is the plus and that is minus, though. So we should write the sign of the bigger digit, minus 36 and plus 35, that will be the minus 1. And now minus 20 and minus 20 root 3 plus 21 root 3. So we can write minus 20 and plus 20, that will be the minus root 3, minus root 3. And 49 minus 48, that will be the 1. So no need to write the 1 as a denominator. Is equal to a plus b root 3. Now you should compare the similar term with the similar term. What is the similar term? That is the similar term with the value of square root. That is the square root. So we should compare with the square root term. That term is without square root. So we should compare that term with the value of without square root. A is without square root, but b under root 3, that is the square root term, and that is the square root term. So we should compare the similar term by each other. So a is equal to minus 1 and b root 3 is equal to minus root 3. Why? That is the square root term. And b is equal to minus root 3 upon root 3. Root 3 divided by root 3 1 times. So answer will be minus 1. So value of a is minus 1, value of b is minus 1, and you can see that is the rational number. A is also rational number, b is also rational number. Rational number, it means all numbers, all positive, negative and zero, positive integers, negative integers and zeros also are the rational numbers. So that is a rational number. Okay, I think you can understand it properly. Now come on for practice work. Practice work for this session. Question number 1, exercise 1.5. Question number 2 of exercise 1.5. In this question you should just simplify the questions. Question number 2, question number 5 of exercise 1.5. There is a rationalization of denominators. Okay, you can check your text book. Question number 3, rationalize the denominator of 9 upon 7 plus 3 root 2. You should just rationalize. How? You should multiply by the denominator value, just change the sign of between that two numbers. You should multiply then in the numerator and denominator also. Simplify in the same manner whatever I taught you. Okay. Question number 5. In the following determine rational numbers a and b. That is a equation. You should solve it by rationalization of that fraction. Okay. Thank you.